If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika and I'm so super excited to be sharing what's in this box. I don't know what's in this box either. So I am swapping with one-on-one with Jasmine, and Jasmine is Craftyjazzy on Instagram. Very talented crafter. I love her style. So we decided to do a Christmas swap. And unfortunately, she got sick and I got distracted. The holiday season, blah, blah, blah. So we extended the date just a little bit so we can get our swaps done. And hers was done and sent to me before mine was sent to her. So I sent her videos just to let her know that I hadn't opened it. I was like, hey, here's the date. Here's the photo. Here's the calendar. So she can see it live, knowing that I'm not opening mine until you get yours, because I deterred away a little bit from the crafty mojo. So I wasn't hitting. Everything that I was creating was like, ugh, this is ugly. Throw it in the trash. I wasted so much paper. Anyway, then I went on a no spending freeze for January. And, you know, spending money is going into the stores kind of gives me inspiration. Like, that's like a big deal for me. Oh, I see these. Oh, and I can picture it. And then I want to craft with it like right away. So I hadn't been doing that. And I'm like, eh. But anyway, long story short, like I seriously sidebar so much. So anyway, long story short, this is the box. I'm so ready to open it. She has hers. It's been confirmed that she has hers. I don't know if she has her video up yet, but she just told me, she's like, I got the box. I'm like, yay, she got a box. Now I can open mine. So yeah, I'm excited. So what we had to do was obviously Christmas theme, and we had to make one 3D project and fill it with handmade embellishments. I think 3 handmade embellishments and 3 store-bought goodies, and the goodies were not to exceed $5, or maybe it was a $5 goodie. I'm trying to go through my phone and figure out what we had to do. Okay, 3D project, handmade goodies, 3 store-bought purchases, not to exceed $5 a piece. Okay, so kind of so we could just stay on the same page, because I will feel real bad if she sent like super huge expensive items and I went to, you know, the Target dollar bin. But I mean, don't knock the Target dollar bin, just saying. So anyway, enough chit-chatting. Let's get this package open. Oh my gosh, it is so much stuff in here. So I've moved my box off. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let me just get it together real quick. Hold on. So she sent some Hershey candy cane Hershey's filled with M&Ms. Yummy. Oh wait, here's this is so cute. It's so much shred in here. And then I opened up the box and dropped it, so I'm like, oh, hope I didn't mess up anything. So I have this super cute plushie. Oh my gosh, it's a Wonder Shop at Target ornament. This is too cute. It's a unicorn. I have to keep this away from Kyla. That is so adorable, I'm Jasmine, sorry. My sister's name is Jasmine. We call her Jazz, so habit. I hope you don't mind. So here is, oh my gosh, he is so adorable. Oh my goodness, this cute little gnome. Oh, it's a she, maybe. Pink hat. This is so cute. Look how cute these things are. So adorable. And then she has it filled with just yummies and trim, and oh my gosh, I did it. Okay, here we go. And then she has a sequin mix. I sent her one of these too. Love it. This is mixed with a beautiful, like a Hey Santa color paper. Red and pink and blue and green. Iridescent. Silver glitter. So cute. All right. And then these little shreds are like when you shuck corn. The corn hairs. So they're everywhere. All right, so she sent this. I hope this didn't come out this bag. No, maybe. No, it did not. Let's move this out the way. Let's move these things over. Look at this. I mean, she has a sequence cover or shaker and its tool, and she zigzag stitched all the way around it. This is just so cute. And then she has a rosette, and then a gold die, and then a die cut here, chipboard piece. And then look at this little dangle. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. What a pretty dangle. And that's the back. So inside she's created some tags. Just a tag, but this is too cute. There's some tags here. There's stitch tags. She made a cute little book. Everything is just stitched everywhere. This is so adorable. Even the little circles on here are stitched. Stitch, stitch, stitch. Oh my gosh. And then she has this bag here. All right, and it's something in here smells good. It's jazz up nails. It smells good. Before I slather this on my lips, I want to wait to see what it is. Did I drop a card here somewhere? Because it could be like nail glue. I can't talk at all. Oh my gosh. She got this whole bag full of yummies. And she has, it smells good. This smells like something I could put on my lips, but oh, it smells good. Maybe it's for my nails. Jazzed up nails. If you guys see her nails, then you'll know her nails are phenomenal. And then she's included something. This what smells good? Oh, it is. Oh, it's a sugar scrub, I think. It is. Oh, and it smells so, oh, it smells so good. And it has a cute little spoon attached to it. I mean, oh my goodness. That smells really, really nice. It has like a vanilla scent. And she has it in a Ziploc bag. Because, you know, oils, you want to make sure that you keep that separate. But yeah, it smells delicious. Not delicious. Oh my gosh, girl, what is that? Oh, that smells good. And then there's some balls down here at the bottom. Thank you for that. I love it. And my hands smell really nice. All right. So, this is the next package that she has. And it has a little wreath on here with some bells. And I kind of ripped it by accident. Oh my gosh, she stuffed it with some goodies. Ah, look at these. She has some wood clips. I love altering these. Oh my gosh, she's included so much Merry Days ephemera. Oh my gosh. I don't have this. This is so cute. This is great for my Christmas all year round. Look at these little puppy stickers. Oh my gosh, girl. And then these shaker stickers. And she sent the Merry Days 6x8 paper pad. Wow. That's amazing. This is a whole nother project for my series. So thank you. And look at these cute little wood shapes. This is a great idea. You have stockings, trees, ornaments, and wreaths. How cute. So adorable. Thank you for that. And I'm going to show you, it's one more thing, but I want to show you all of this goodness in here. It's at the bottom of the paper here. All right. So here is her. I'm going to move all of this over. I want to show you guys. Here is her 3D project. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at this. She has, it's 3 presents. Look at all the stitching. Oh my God. The stitching is amazing. Everything is stitch, 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 stitch. Flip it. Every panel is stitched. Girl, you had to work on this for so long. This is so cute. Tied with this cute ribbon. Oh, I'm just going to leave this sitting right like this on here. I might glue these tops together so when I put it on to display, it won't fall over on my stand. But this is going on my, oh my God. Okay, let's just do the first box, TMIKA. And I got to sit down. Hold on. Okay, now we're all ready. Hold on, let's get the camera together. Okay, I'm back. Look at this. Look how cute this is. She has stitched her whole knit scarf. And then there's a beautiful little dangle bow There are some tiny buttons. This little thing says peace, love, and brr. And like she folded it up. Who would have thought of that? And all of this is stitched all the way around. Just amazing. And then in here, she has, oh, she has a note. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a dangle. How cute. Oh my gosh. This is just adorable. It has a candy cane. This looks like an edible, like somebody licked it just a little bit to make it shiny. It looks like a peppermint for real. How stinking cute. These faceted beads. Oh my gosh, I gotta up my bead game. Seriously, what do you guys, where do you guys go for your beads? Like, I just have the basic beads, the basic color beads. Look at this, all this grass in here, and then she has flowers in here. I'm trying to get everything out. I am still stuck on the stitching. Oh, there's another charm in here. Oh my goodness. Gosh, so here's some flowers that she made. Oh, this is too cute. And then look at this charm. Look at this little candy cane. Beautiful mint. Your wire wrapping is phenomenal. She even has sequin on top of this bead. And it's a little charm here, says made with love. This is how it goes, like this. Snowflake. I mean, my bead game is definitely not here. This is too cute. Here's box 2. And she has like a 3D Christmas tree and faux ornaments on here as buttons. How cute. So cute, girl. She has, do you have a mini album in here? You have, she has, oh my goodness. There's 2 books in here. These books are so little. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me get this off here. Hold on. So she has a tie with this little tiny gold gingerbread and a little faceted bead. And then on the front, she has a crepe paper rosette and some shimmer on the sides. There's a chipboard bird. She stitched the wings. And then December, she has some fake tree branches there. And then you open up her mini album that's stitched all in the inside. And then there's a page. I don't even want to open this page. I hate when people do that. I don't want to open it. It's too cute. And I'll be like, girl, open it. That's why they sent it. But then I'm here and I don't want to open it because it's just so adorable. Let me just try to see what's in here. Maybe she did a video. It looks like it's charms in there. I'm not going to be the one to open this. It looks like it's charms in here, though. I don't want to. I think there's charms in here. I know I see some sequins, but I think, oh my gosh, it's a sweater in here. There's a stocking charm. And there's a bell. And then a cute little sweater. And then, I don't know what this is. A Santa. Yeah, that's all we're going to get right now. It's just too cute to open. It's too cute. Look at this cute little pink snowflake. Oh my god. And then look, it's a chipboard piece over here. She stitched and then added a little bit of nesting with the gold thread. Oh, and this one is a flip. No way. Who thinks of this? This is a shaker mix. It's 2 shaker mixes. Like a pastel-y shaker mix. And this is pink vellum. And then more of a crisp traditional. This is cute. Oh, that is just adorable. I'm going to put that back in there. Hopefully she did a video. And, well, no, she's Instagram. So I'm not sure she did one or not. But look at this. Sweater, and she's all the stitching stay cozy puffy, some more buttons. Oh my god, this ornament is so cute. No way. First she's it's too cute. First she sent some knee-high socks. Oh my gosh, with a little cat. These are so adorable. These are so adorable. Knee-high socks. But look at this. Oh my goodness. I'd seen people with these. I'm like, I want one of those so bad. It's from Target and it matches my room perfectly. Oh my goodness, girl. This is a beautiful gift. I still smell that stuff. That smells so good. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Jazz, I love what you made. I love what you sent. Everything. This is just so adorable. Put this back. I am going to display this cute little reindeer, but for now it's going to go in the box. I can get it to a right place where it needs to be on my shelf. This is so awesome. Thank you so much for everything, all of these extra goodies and your handmade stuff. And I appreciate you swapping with me. So I'll have her Instagram linked down below for you guys. Definitely check her out. Again, her name is Jasmine and you can find her at Craftyjazzy. Thanks for swapping with me, girl.